Welcome to my channel. I'm Santi the Framer. You guys can see I got my get up on. Feel me? So we ran into a problem. My framer told me to order all the wrong wood. So all this wood you see right here, we don't need it for this. But this is my first time working with him, so I didn't think it was the best to be mad or to argue or be angry. So I honestly just said it's all good. Let's just get the correct wood. So you guys can see I'm out of breath. So we already got the right wood. We ran back and forth to Home Depot, and we essentially just had to return 300 pieces of wood and then get 300 pieces more. So I'm exhausted. Some of the wood we already returned. This is the remaining wood that we need to return. But yeah, all this wood is pointless. We're gonna use this. This is useful. We're gonna use this, but everything else you guys see is not needed. But yeah, I'm a framer. You guys can see it's my getup. I'm a framer. But thank you for tuning into the channel. Keep watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, this is day one of the framing. Front door 60, right? 60, right?
60, yes. 62.
62? Oh, 62?
Yes, 62.
That door is 60.
Yes, the door is 60, but I need 2 inches.
Oh, you need 2 inches.
For the trim.
Okay. I'm only doing 80 high, not 96 anymore. I don't know if that matters.
Oh, okay, because anyway, everyone say make it 96.
96?
Yeah. It's 8 footers.
8 footers? Oh, no, I mean for the door.
Oh, the door is no,
Yeah.
the door is
Okay.
regular.
Okay. Because the door is only 80. Yeah.
82 inches.
Yeah, 82. Yep.
Okay.
Oh, and one last thing too. This window, I wanted the regular size as that one. This window is bigger than that one. Just put it as the 36 by 48. Yeah, but probably this one. Yeah. Yeah, regular. Yep, 36 48. Today we have the framing crew putting up the walls and framing the building. So I'm very excited for this process. This might be my favorite process in the build, and let's go. But you could see that the first wall has been up. So like I said, I'm gonna show you guys everything that's been done in the framing, and yeah, let's go. So one of the wrong woods we got was 2x4s by 10, but we needed 2x6s by 12. So let me show you guys how it looks. So this is the correct wood that we needed right here. So everything is looking good, and that's the first wall is up. And you guys could see that that opening is where the door would go. So yeah, things is looking good. We're making progress. What's your favorite part of a construction build? Mine is definitely the frame. I would say second, probably concrete. The concrete pour was pretty cool. Let me show you guys what the framers did so far. Come on. So this is where the bedroom window is gonna go. You guys can see the first wall is up. I'm currently in the bedroom right now. This is the front door. You guys can see this is the front door. And then this is another window.
2 by 8.
We need 2x8s. How many 2x8s we need now?
Uh, just for the roof.
Just for the roof, okay.
There's 1, 26.
So we need to return 26.
Yeah.
Just 26 pieces.
Yes, 26
okay.
pieces.
Okay. Can I show you something too? So I wanted lights on the bottom of the roof. Yeah.
Inside and outside.
Outside.
Outside. Okay, so I'll give you the fascia and the back, maybe 6 inches.
Okay.
The rest leave in the front.
Okay.
Or how much you need the fascia on this side?
Yeah. That's good. Huh? 2 feet. You have a tape measure? Let's see.
Yeah. Maybe 3 feet.
Yeah, three or 2. Yeah, 3. Because remember, I wanted, like, after we're done, like later, after this gets graded, I wanted to put a 6.
Oh, 6 feet.
6
deck.
feet deck. Yeah. So. Second wall going up. This is day 2 of the build. My guys have been out here since 7 a.m. this morning. Earlier, we went and got more wood. We had to get 2 by 8 by 20. We needed about 20 of those, and we had to get more OSB boards for the frame. So you guys can see a lot's been done. These guys work very fast, and I'm enjoying this part of the build. But you can see this is everything we've done so far, and things are really looking good. Come, let's see more stuff. This 3 feet, right? 3 feet?
3 feet, yeah.
Looks good.
I think.
And that's the OSB board. We got, what was it? Artemio, how many OSB boards did we get again?
15.
15? Okay, yeah. We got 15 today, and then we had 32. So I think we got 47 OSB boards in total. Honestly, the framing looks way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like on the plans, like this is my first time doing this, so I thought the frame was gonna be a little smaller. But actually, I really like it. Like, knowing what I know now, I would have probably put lights on top of the top. I would have put lights up there. But no, it's looking real good. We're making so much. The plumber slowed us down crazy, but this crew, man, they're amazing. Like, they remind me of my concrete team. Like, everything is moving nice and smooth. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. You can see, I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe that's the fascia. We spoke about it yesterday, and that's gonna be 3 feet up. And then I want to put lights under it. But yeah, looking good. Check that out. It's a nice size too. It's gonna be like very spacious. So it's really starting to come together. Right now I'm in the bedroom. So this whole area is the bedroom. Starting from this wall to this wall. This is the bedroom. And it's really looking nice. And then if we come over here, in here is the bathroom. This is the bathroom right here. And then right here is where the water heater is going. I think I just found a mistake. Artemio, quick question. I got a question for you. Where does the closet start? Right here.
Right there.
It starts right here. This is supposed to be in there. So I think the person who did the plans got it wrong because this is for the water heater.
This is for the water heater?
Yeah, so the water heater is going in the same closet as the bedroom. Because the bathroom starts, yeah, so unless
move it this way?
Yeah, we need to move it a little bit.
Okay.
Not too much. We don't need to move it too much because I don't want the closet to be too big. Just like a little bit, so this could.
Put in the middle to the.
Yeah.
The middle to the pipe.
Yeah. So this could be, I guess, cut right here. So then this closet, like maybe. Yeah, maybe 1.5 inches, maybe right here. Yeah. So it's in here. That's it.
Well, you move it this side.
So
the wall.
The bathroom starts right here. So yeah. So this is the closet, right?
This is the closet.
Yeah. So this is supposed to be
inside the closet.
Inside the closet, because the water heater is going right here.
The water heater is right.
Yeah, the water heater is right here.
This is for the.
This is for the water heater.
That's for the top for the.
Huh?
For the bathtub.
This is for the bathtub? Really?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm confused.
Because the bathtub is right here.
And that's the. Because I know this is the toilet,
this
right?
Is maybe this is the water.
This is for the
here because the pipe guys is continue all the way connected to the inside.
Oh.
To the wall.
Okay, so we're good then, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is for the water heater.
Now that's for the water heater.
This is for the this is for the shower.
This is for the shower.
Okay. Oh, so we're good then, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this pipe is good.
Okay.
For the
okay. Thank you. So this is the bathroom. And then along this walls is the kitchen. And then this is where the washer and dryer is going. So we found a crucial mistake before we framed this. The person who did my plans only framed this for 32 inches. And the laundry unit wouldn't have fit in here. So my framer moved it over to 36 inches. and now that should fit. And along these walls is where the kitchen is gonna go.